Good morning. Out and about and grateful this morning. The first day after the launch of my book. What? You go, girl. I'm thanking God that He has allowed me to see this day. Wow, beautiful sunshine. Look at that. Woo! A day that the Lord has made, and I'm still rocking my makeup. Don't ask me if I wash my face, please. Done by Latitude Cute. Check her out at latitudecute.com or Latitude Cute on Facebook. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Haha. Yes. So God has been good. The launch was successful. Launch of my first book. Woo! Persons were there from near and far, and they were happy. They were happy. We had some glitches. I'm not even going to talk about it on camera, but I'm going to start it out today. Yeah, but hey, that couldn't stop me from smiling. That couldn't stop me from being happy. Because guess what? God is still good. Woo! I feel so good. I'm out.